For those of you who are still finding it difficult to earn money on Learnify, I'm going to do this video again. So the first thing you need to know is that as a non-referral, you are to earn at least some 100 naira daily, which is 200 naira for login and 500 naira for sponsor ads. So if you are still logged in, which you definitely will be, except you log out, you need to log out first every day in order to earn your login bonus. So if you are still logged in, you have to log out first, then you log in again. So I'm logged in now, and my earnings will not increase it because I've already earned for the day. So the next thing after receiving your login bonus is to go to the home page and earn from advert and sponsor posts. To do that, you are going to click on the back page or back button. Some people confuse this place as the home page. No matter where you click on the option here, this is not the home page. This is still your dashboard. You need to click on your navigation, Android navigation back button on any device you're using. When you click back, you are supposed to be here. This is the main page, home page. You can reload your dashboard. Remember that you are still logged in. So when you click on this option on the top right corner, you see Learn Post. You click on Learn Post. When you click on Learn Post, you are going to see the recent ad that have been posted already. You see the date June 1. You click on Read More. So when you click on that Read More, of course, every detail about the sponsor post is going to be shown, and this is where you are going to earn. It says share to TikTok. You don't have to have a TikTok account. Even though you don't have the app, immediately you click on that share button and it redirects you to TikTok, either TikTok web or TikTok app. If you have the app, you just click on the navigation button, go back again to the browser, and you have automatically earned. You don't need to do anything back there in TikTok or anything else. So you have earned for that particular um, sponsored post. So you have earned for all end post. The next thing you're going to do is to click the next tab there, which is Advert. Either of the post there is either you earn 300 naira there, or let's say when you share all of them, the two ads, you're going to earn 500 naira plus the login bonus 700 naira. So you scroll down, similar step, you click on the Read More. When you click on the Read More, you see Engage on Advert. This one sometimes is on. Okay, it says you have already earned for this advert. So suppose you did not earn already, you will may probably be redirected to WhatsApp and stuff like that. But immediately you click on it and there is a redirection, you will surely earn. That is all you have to do every day. Every time you are done with the ads, you have to go back to your dashboard to check whether you've actually earned. This is where you check that's your activity balance. So that's all.